Ever wondered why Bitcoin ETFs are as elusive as Bigfoot? Let's dive into this crypto conundrum together. Picture this. It's 2009, and a mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduces us to Bitcoin, a new form of digital currency, decentralized and free from the control of any government or institution. It's like being handed the keys to a brand new, shiny, and potentially infinite gold mine. Except, the gold mine is in the middle of a labyrinth, guarded by a dragon, and no one is quite sure how to get there.
Are you interested in investing in cryptocurrencies? Look no further. The Bitcoin ETF, the future of crypto investments video, is here to provide you with valuable insights into the world of cryptocurrency investments, and more specifically, Bitcoin ETFs. As the popularity and adoption of cryptocurrencies grow, understanding the potential of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, becomes crucial for any investor. In this informative video, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of what a Bitcoin ETF is, its advantages, and the impact it can have on the cryptocurrency market. We explore the potential benefits of adding Bitcoin ETFs to your investment portfolio, and how they can offer exposure to Bitcoin without the complexities of direct ownership. Discover why some experts believe that the arrival of Bitcoin ETFs could open up a new avenue of opportunities for both novice and experienced investors.
Fast forward to now, Bitcoin has become the superstar of the crypto world, making headlines, breaking records, and even getting its own futures trading. Yet, the elusive Bitcoin ETF remains a mythical creature, akin to the Loch Ness monster of the financial world. It's been spotted several times, rumors of its existence are rampant, but no one has managed to get a clear, undeniable snapshot of it. So, what's the deal with Bitcoin ETFs? Why are they so hard to pin down? Well, it's a bit like trying to tame a wild stallion. Bitcoin, in all its decentralized glory, is a bit of a rebel in the world of traditional finance. It doesn't play by the rules, it's volatile, and it's unpredictable. It's like trying to put a square peg in a round hole. Regulatory bodies like the Securities and Exchange Commission have been hesitant to approve Bitcoin ETFs, citing concerns over market manipulation and investor protection. But despite these hurdles, the pursuit of the elusive Bitcoin ETF continues, much like the ongoing search for Bigfoot or the Yeti. It's a quest filled with excitement, anticipation, and a fair share of frustration. But the idea of a Bitcoin ETF is not just about capturing a mythical creature. It's about bridging the gap between traditional finance and the new frontier of digital currency. So if you've ever tried to catch a unicorn, you might have a sense of what it's like to chase after a Bitcoin ETF.
What is a Bitcoin ETF, you may ask? It stands for Exchange Traded Fund, and it allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without actually owning it. Bitcoin ETFs provide a level of security and transparency that is often lacking in crypto exchanges. These funds are regulated by financial authorities, ensuring compliance and offering protection to investors. Bitcoin ETFs also cater to those who are looking to invest in Bitcoin but are unsure about how to safely store their digital assets. By investing in a Bitcoin ETF, you can skip the hassle of creating a digital wallet and be confident that your investment is in the hands of professionals.
Imagine being on a quest like Odysseus, but your goal isn't Ithaca. It's a Bitcoin ETF. Now, this is an odyssey worth embarking on, right? Our ship has sailed, and we're set to conquer the high seas of financial innovation. But much like Odysseus, we're not without our fair share of challenges. In our case, the sirens aren't mythical creatures, but regulatory hurdles that sing a song of red tape and compliance. The first monster we encounter on our journey is the Cyclops of regulation. Government bodies worldwide are squinting at Bitcoin ETFs with a skeptical eye. The lack of regulation in the crypto world is a significant concern, with fears of market manipulation and fraud leading to hesitation in giving the green light. Next, we encounter the tumultuous seas of market volatility. The crypto market, as we know, is no calm ocean. It's more like a stormy sea, with waves that can make even the most seasoned sailor seasick. Bitcoin's value can swing dramatically, and while that's part of its charm for some, it's a major red flag for regulators. Then there's the island of the Lotus Eaters, where we find investor skepticism. Yes, friends, not everyone is ready to jump on the Bitcoin bandwagon. Many investors remain wary of the risks associated with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, citing concerns about its inherent value and long-term viability. But remember, dear listeners, Odysseus didn't let the trials of his journey deter him from his goal, and neither should we. The Bitcoin ETF quest is a challenging one, filled with hurdles and skepticism. But it's also a journey that could potentially revolutionize the financial world as we know it. So we navigate these challenges, using our wit and courage, just as Odysseus did. We continue to innovate, to push boundaries, and to challenge the status quo. Because at the end of the day, isn't that what the world of cryptocurrency is all about? So it seems the journey to a Bitcoin ETF is more treacherous than Odysseus's journey back to Ithaca, doesn't it?
As the popularity of Bitcoin ETFs grows, more and more investors are entering the crypto market, accelerating mainstream adoption. With Bitcoin ETFs, the potential for growth and profit in the cryptocurrency world becomes accessible to everyone. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning your journey, consider the world of Bitcoin ETFs. It's time to embrace the future of crypto investments.
Now, let's shift gears and dive into the roller coaster that is the crypto news of the week. First off, let's talk about the new kids on the block. The fresh coin launches. It seems like every Tom, Dick, and Harry wants to launch their own cryptocurrency these days. Even Granny Smith down at the local farmers market is considering launching Granny Coin. Jokes aside, this week saw the launch of several promising tokens. Keep an eye out for these fledglings, as they may soon turn into soaring eagles or plummeting dodos. Only time will tell. Now onto the big movers and shakers. This week, Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all, decided to do the cha-cha slide, moving 2 steps forward, 1 step back, and then slide to the left, right into a dip. It's not all doom and gloom, though. Ethereum, the ever-steady tortoise to Bitcoin's hair, maintained its steady climb, proving once again that slow and steady can indeed win the race. In regulatory news, it appears that governments worldwide are playing a game of Simon Says with each other. If Simon says regulate, they all jump to regulate. If Simon says ban, they all rush to ban. This week, Simon said embrace, and lo and behold, we're seeing a wave of crypto-friendly policies. It's a sight to behold, almost like watching synchronized swimmers in a sea of bureaucracy. As for market trends, it's been a wild ride, more akin to a roller coaster than a carousel. Volatility is the name of the game, with prices bobbing up and down like a yo-yo on a caffeine high. It's enough to give anyone whiplash. But hey, that's the thrill of the crypto world, isn't it? Well, that's enough twists and turns for 1 week. Remember, in the crypto world, it's always a wild ride.
Our expert speaker delve into the regulatory landscape surrounding Bitcoin ETFs, discussing the hurdles they currently face and the ongoing efforts to gain approval from regulatory authorities. Stay up to date with the latest developments, as the potential approval of Bitcoin ETFs could significantly impact the cryptocurrency market and offer a more mainstream investment option for individuals and institutional investors alike.
Now let's sum up today's chat with a quick-fire recap. So fast you'd think we're running on blockchain. We kicked off with the Crypto Conundrum, where we untangled the web of crypto complexities, making sense of the digital coins that have the world in a frenzy. Remember, cryptos are volatile, so buckle up for a bumpy ride. Then we embarked on the ETF Odyssey, journeying through the maze of Bitcoin ETFs. We discovered they're a safer bet for those who prefer not to hold actual Bitcoins, just like opting for a roller coaster ride instead of bungee jumping. Next, we delved into the latest in crypto news, where we surfed the waves of recent happenings. From regulatory changes to market trends, it's clear that the crypto world is as dynamic as a game of pinball. And there you have it, folks, a recap faster than a Bitcoin transaction. Remember, in the world of crypto, there's always something new around the corner. Stay tuned, stay informed, and most importantly, stay entertained.
Thank you for watching our video. If you found it informative, don't forget to beat that like button and smash subscribe like they owe you money, and stay tuned for the next video, where we explore the ever-evolving world of finance and technology. Go ahead and watch this video right here. I guarantee you will get as much, if not more, value in investing. Have a great day.